Karon ako ang ipakita sa inyo ha unsaon pag-book og passengers with rolling cargos. Now, kung mo-book ta, you just need to put your name. Of course, let's say for example, in continuation sa ato ang himo video, first video regarding unsaon pag-book og passenger, i-book again lang ta. First name, ibutang nato. Going back, mail, date of birth, Mandawi City. Yeah. And then again, naka-default na ang nationality, accommodation, adult. Now, let's say for example, since mo biyahe ko with vehicle, with car, then I'm gonna include my wife since wala sad nato na na-discuss ganiha. This is how you add your passenger. Makita ni mo diri na I add companion or an add vehicle. So right now, mag-add ta og companion. You just need to click add companion. Here, let's say I'm gonna travel with my wife. Um, Female, birth date, of course. Region, Mandaue is, Filipino, and she is a full paying adult. Now, karon, mag-add ta og vehicle. You just need to click add vehicle. Let's say, for example, only plate number, and since four-wheeler siya para makita, importante kayo na ibutang nato unsa pila ka wheels siya aron didto sa dashboard, which is I will show you later. Makita ni port supervisor or port in charge unsa na mga sakyanan ang nakabook na. So let's say for four-wheelers, ibutang na nag four-wheelers. Let's say for example sedan. And then here, makita nimo you'll just need to look for cargos. Uh, Actually, here, sorry. Kung di ninyo makita, you just need to write four wheels. So here, makita nimo automobile, multi-cab. So makita siya. Kung maglisod mo tungod sa kadaghan na sa mga types of vehicles, you just need to click, let's say for example, four wheels, or let's say for example, a specific account, you just need to click, let's say, TPM, or you need to click for ELF, Bongo, loaded ba siya, SUV, pickup, you just need to click, let's say for example, SUV, automatic, it will show. Kung four wheels lang imong ibutang, automatic kini nga price, which is automobile multicab. That's it. And make sure, okay, we'll go to next. Let's say for example, kung tan-awon nimo, uy, naay full adult nga paying. So i-make sure nimo nga ang usa is naka-driver para ma-free. So imong buhaton usaon man nimo pag go back didto. You just need to click book again. So naa ka diri balik ka page where si J-Mark, which is ako, himuon ako kog galingon as driver para ma-free siya. Now, kung imo ni siyang tan-awon, kung imo ni siyang naay missing diri, make sure na example na naka-red, na naay missing, kung imo ni next, di gini siya ma-next tungod kay naay missing information. Or kung nabutangan na nimo diri information, ya di gihapon siya mo next, it means ang capacity sa vessel, sa packs, or even sa cargo, fully booked na. Then you need to um, notify your port supervisor or port in charge to add more vehicles or to add more passenger. Going back, i-next nato siya. Here, makita nimo zero na ang usa kay tungod siya ay driver. So here, makita nimo total received 3,800, and that's it. You just need to print the ticket sa thermal paper, click print, and the BOL. Sorry, my here you need to put the FRR. So whatever the FRR is, saved. Then if naan siya sa'yo, I'm sorry, my internet's lagging. Here, kung naan siya sa'yo, then you just need to put the updated FRR, then save it again. Then you have it here. Then you also need to print. And that's it. Thank you.